What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're going to show you how to turn your BPA10 to a karaoke setup. Now the BPA10 also makes for a great karaoke setup since we can connect any smartphone or tablet, search for any karaoke version of a song on the YouTube app, and connect our microphone so we can sing along while we're reading the lyrics and playing the music through our iPad. So for that setup, I have my microphone and my XLR cable here. I'm going to plug the female end into my microphone, then I'm going to plug the male end into the mic channel right here. I'm also going to want to set this channel to mic mode by pressing down on the mic button. Then I'm going to raise the volume 1 knob. And now if I turn my microphone on, check 1, 2, you should be able to hear my voice coming out of the speaker. Now to set up the tablet to the speaker, I'm going to make sure that my speaker is set to Bluetooth mode. Next, I'm going to go into the Bluetooth settings on my tablet and search for the device that reads BPA10. Click on it to pair. And when you hear that sound, you'll know your device is connected to the speaker. So from here, we can go into the YouTube app or any app that has karaoke versions of any song and search for a song that we want to sing along to. And once we're ready, we can pick up the mic and start singing along. Hey now, you're an all-star, get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star, get the show on, get paid. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to turn your BPA10 to a karaoke setup. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.